So, how many of you guys do business online? All right, everyone wants to get leads, and I use this as a tool. Okay, I do have a business outside of the internet world, which is my crochet. So, but I also teach crochet. I do sell products and courses online, and I do expose myself. I do have a blog site. I do have a YouTube channel for my crochet business. But other than that, I help people make money online with their business tools. Okay, so this video, I'm going to talk about that you can get 100 leads every day. And joining my lead gen secret is legit. Okay, there's no, you can make it happen for you. This software works, this app works for you as long as you stay consistent. Now, a lot of people want to start online. They think they're going to have a get rich, you know, you just invest and then you don't do anything, you don't take any action, you're not going to get anywhere. You have to take action. You have to do your part if you want to grow a business. So my lead gen secret will help you. Okay, and every business start up with the cost. All right, so I'm going to stop right now and check out my other video in the next video right now. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Well, thank you for watching my video, the compensation plan. Now, I was going to show you an older video, but the older video I had to, that was a long time ago, and I'd rather do a update video, a fresh new video for you. And this compensation plan is really easy. Okay, so if you recruit one person, you automatically get $5. All right, so if they recruit somebody else, right, you're gonna receive $4. And if they recruit four more, you will receive at least $15 from that particular one membership. If they recruited 5 people, you get 5 levels deep. So do you understand? $5, and then they recruit another one, you get $4. They recruit the third person, you get $3. They recruit the fourth person, you get $2. And if they recruit another person, you get $1 from the 5th level. So that's $15 from one member. Okay, if they have 5 members, and this can accumulate. This is residual, and if you continue to be consistent with this, you're gonna see your compensation grow. All right, but you do have to do your work. You got to take action. You got to take care of your leads, take care of your emails. You got to really care about your emails. That's what the consistency has. The results will come if you take care of your leads, if you take care of your emails, and you got to be persistent. You can't skip a day too, so take it serious. Do it like a real business, and you will see income grow. And I do have accumulated. It did take me a while to grow it, and I am making money here. So it goes down 5 levels deep. So if everybody gets a member, 5 members, you will get residual. Okay, they do supplies superstar bonus contests. All right, if you refer 5 people within the 7-day contest period, it says win unlimited number of $100 bonus each week by simply referring 5 new confirmed members sales in 7 days contest period. You read that correctly. For every 5 paid new customer you refer in 1 week, you'll earn a $100 cash bonus. There is no limit. Refer 25 new paid customers in 1 week, and you'll earn $500. All right. And it looks so easy, right? But actually, it does take work to accumulate 25 new customers in 1 week to get that $500. So, it looks so good to look at that and just think, oh, I got 25 people that signed up under me, and so quick, and I got $500. Now, in reality, it does take work to accumulate that. So, you know, take it to heart that this mighty Gen secret, you have to do your time, you have to do your work, yeah, everything is, you got to be committed, and you got to take care of your emails when you send them out, okay? And you get all these leads, right? They provide you all these leads, and these are fresh leads, so you can earn money. If you ever go on YouTube and you hear other people about My Lead Gen Secret, they are making money here. All right, it all depends on how quick you want to do it, how much time you put into it, and the results will be what you put in. All right, you can double the earnings, so don't forget, when you recruit a member, you get 200 leads. Okay, double your leads from $100 per day to $200 per day for life by simply referring one confirmed member. All right, and you get this bonus leads when you recruit one member. So I just want to share that with all of you. And I also want to share with you, look at the emails that you can send out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you get some text ads, you know, and then you have some banner ads if you want to put it in your blog or your site, and let the whole world know about My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, and this is an affiliate program where you can make money. All right, and this program does work. It really does. You can hear it from other people, but those people work their business, and that's why they take action. Here's a little bit of commission I have here, because I do other businesses online, but you can make money here.